Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello vlog, welcome back to my channel. Uh, how are you today? And welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a network topology in PNetLab with VLAN, DHCP, NAT, and static routing. The goals of this lab are all pieces should be able to communicate with each other. All pieces should have internet access, and we will test connectivity by pinging domains like Google.com, Instagram.com, and Facebook.com directly from the PCs. Let's get started. Uh, First, build the topology. Open PNetLab and add two routers, two switch, and then uh, router 1 and router 2 are connected to each other, and router 1 is also connected to the internet. Uh, we get to start the configuration, router configuration. Bismillah. Uh, First, will config the we will config the router 1. We got to start all the nodes, set up nodes, and start all nodes. Wait until the router, switch, and the PCs this PC all on, and then if the router and other uh, on, you can click the router 1 here, and then you can click open internet shortcut. You can click enter. I'm sorry, the internet is uh, loading. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, there is trouble. Uh, uh, Wait, I'm sorry. We I will refresh the laptop. You can click again. Nice. You can click enter. Okay, guys. Next. You can put the admin in the first you can set the name for the router one. You can give a system identity set name. You can put the name up to you. I will put the name R1. And then enter. After that, we will add the address for the router one, the interface enter to and network address is, and then enter. And then interface VLAN. You can follow the command prompt from in here. Interface VLAN add name VLAN 10 and VLAN ID is 10 and interface the Ether3 enter. And then you can copy or here Ether3 and you can change the inventory. You can change the 22 and then enter. Uh, and then we add the address for VLAN. Address is size 26 and in interface VLAN 10 enter, and then IP address for the VLAN 20 and here is 27 and here is 20. Nice. You can enter. uh, After that we will add the IP pool. Add name is pool VLAN 10 and range-nya this range is 10 2 and then 62 and you can click enter. And then we add the IP DHCP server. Add name is DHCP VLAN. I'm sorry, DHCP VLAN 10. The interface is VLAN 10 and the address pool. Address pool is pool VLAN 10, and disable no. And click enter, and then the we will add the DHCP server network. IP DHCP server network, and add address uh, 10, and the network address is 26, and gateway sorry gateway 10 and 1, and the next server is uh, egg egg. You can click enter, and then we will add the IP pool for the VLAN 20. Name is pool VLAN 20, and range the here put the IP range for the client. Uh, and then we can click enter. We add the DHCP server 2 for the DHCP serve DHCP VLAN 20 in interface. Oh, sorry, interface VLAN 2 20, and address pool is address pool is pool VLAN pool VLAN 20, and disable no. Enter, and then we add the IP DHCP network, DHCP server network for the VLAN 20 at address is 20, prefix is 27, and gateway is 1, and then a server is equine, and then enter. Uh, and then after this we will add the IP firewall or NAT firewall NAT, add change change the SRC NAT, interface is what interface what interface is ether1 and action is masquerade. Then enter, and we add the IP root for the VLAN. Put your IP root in here. IP for the ST address is IP network. Gateway is 12, 12, 12, and 2, and enter. You can put same, but you can change the number. Okay. Prefix 28. Okay, you can click enter again. And then we can click the enter tool, same. Click enter and enter again. Click no. Then you can put the name for router 2. Name I will art and IP address at for the ether 2 slice 13 in interface ether 1 network for address is 12, 12, 12, and 0. Enter, and then interface VLAN add name is VLAN 13. Oh, sorry, 13, and VLAN ID is 13 and 13. I'm sorry, 30, 30, and interface ether 2. You can copy here and then put again, and you can change the name is VLAN 40, and you can click the enter again. After that, we add the IP address for VLAN 30. Prefix 28 in interface VLAN 30, and then you can do value same here. Enter, and we got to add IP pool. Full name is full VLAN 30, and range is 30 and 0. Oh, do not slice. I'm sorry. 2 until 30 14, and enter. We add the IP DHCP server. Add name DHCP VLAN 40 30 interface VLAN 30. Address pool is pool VLAN 30, and disable no. And then we add the IP DHCP network, DHCP server network is at address 130 slice 28, and gateway is 100. DNS server is the same. Equine back. And then you can add SAM for the VLAN 40, full VLAN 40, VLAN 40, and range is 42 until 14. Same. After that, you can add the DHCP server. Set the name is DHCP VLAN 14 40 interface VLAN 40. Address pool is pool VLAN 40. Disable, and then you can add the IP DHCP server network. Add address is 40 slice is 28, and the gateway is and the DNS server is Equinity, and then you can add the IP route. Is the address 0.0.0.0/0, and the gateway is 12.12.12.1. Same gateway is in here, and we config from here to here. And next, we can config the switch. Enter and admin enter, enter, no, and put the name. I will in switch name is the SW1, switch 1, and then interface bridge is you can add bridge VLAN, bridge VLAN, enter, interface bridge port, and you can put bridge VLAN, and interface Ether1, put the same, and Ether2, same in Ether3, and add the interface bridge for bridge VLAN, VLAN filtering is yes. Enter, interface bridge VLAN, and you can add this for can put the bridge VLAN, and teach can teach the bridge VLAN to, and or Ether1 VLAN IDS is 10 and 20. Oh, I'm sorry. Enter, and then set the interface bridge port. Okay, set find interface find interface in Ether2, do same 20 and for enter 2 enter, and then we config in switch to here. Enter. Alhamdulillah, and you can put admin in the Mikrotik login and password is enter. Only enter and can. Alhamdulillah. We will continue the configuration in switch to. You can do same same like the switch one. You can add the interface bridge, you can add the name and bridge VLAN and interface bridge port. Add bridge VLAN, and then interface is better one. Do same enter 2 and for enter 3, and you can set the interface bridge. Set bridge VLAN and VLAN filtering is yes. And add the interface bridge VLAN. Okay, and the bridge is bridge VLAN, and page is bridge VLAN 2, and you can click the comma, or I forget for English language is comma, and you can click comma and enter 1. VLAN IDs is 30 and 40. Enter, and set the interface bridge port. Set and find interface enter 2 PVID is 30 config in the PC1. Uh, PC1. You can click the IP DHCP and wait until end the DHCP, and you can click the show IP. Nice. We got the IP, and you can try to ping uh, to the gateway is 10 and 1 reply, and you can ping to the oh I forget, we will the config the PC, all PC with the IP DHCP, and enter. Cannot find the DHCP server. I'm sorry. IP DHCP. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry guys. Any trouble? And I fix him, and you can see this IP DHCP is changed in Dora, and IP address is fine, and you can click show IP, and do same in the in the IP is already show IP, and then you I'm sorry because I fix him the trouble, and I will show you and we will ping the PC, other PC, ping and, for yes, PC VLAN 3, and this PC VLAN for for the CAN, and then ping to the DNS, ping 8.8.8 that, and CAN, alhamdulillah. Then ping to Google, ping, oh sorry, ping google, google.com. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah can. And then we try to ping to Facebook or Instagram or YouTube.com can, and then ping to Instagram, Instagram.com, and then can, and finally is pin the Facebook.com. Can, alhamdulillah. uh, Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Finally, I can to show you uh, why why is tutorial for VLAN uh, with CLI, and the connectivity is successfully. So that's the tutorial on how to build a network topology in PNet Lab using VLAN, DHCP, NAT, and static routing. With this configuration, all pieces can communicate with each other and also access the internet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more network tutorial. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening and thank you for attention. See you in the next video. Goodbye.